Welcome friends! In today's video, let's wrap gifts with fabric. This is a really easy method. You don't need any tape. So I have a piece of fabric that I actually bought at the Dollar Tree. You can use any fabric that you have on hand. I'm sure we all have a stash somewhere. This fabric measures 20 by 21 inches. Instead of placing your box along the lines of the fabric, try rotating it 45 degrees, then pull up two of the opposite corners and then tie a knot. Once you tie the knot, pull it firmly and then tie a second knot right on top. This will secure it. Now for the other side, I just want to make sure that there's a neat fold. So I'm folding all four corners of the fabric, and then again I'll pull up the two opposite corners and tie a double knot. And that's it. There's no scotch tape, no fussing. You just might need to tuck some of the fabric around, and this just looks so cute and pretty. It looks completely different than what we're normally used to, and I think that's what makes it special. So onto a piece of cardstock, I printed out some holiday tags. You can download these for free on my blog, and I will leave a link to it in the description box. Using a sharp pair of scissors, simply cut around the tag, and then to add it to the fabric gift, I'm using clothespin. I picked up these small wooden clothespins at the Dollar Tree itself, and then you simply tuck the tag in between it, and you're done. You can also use a safety pin to add the tag, but I thought the wooden clothespin just added to that fabric effect. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this simple idea. I loved how it turned out. There are so many options I can think of. You can use burlap fabric, you can use velvet fabric to make it extra special. Anything works. The best part about the fabric is that since the fabric is kind of stretchy, you don't actually tear the fabric if you have a gift that's of a funny shape. If you have something that's pointy or round, a fabric gift wrap is a great idea. Make sure to stop by my blog smilingcolors.com for more gift wrapping ideas. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!